And now, an important announcement from Dashcam Riprock.
Today is May 24th, and for the past week or so I've been listening to Tina Turner in the car. And while I was out earlier today, I stopped listening. I changed the music to something else. And when I got home, I got the news that she had died. And I feel somewhat responsible. So I've decided that for the next week, I'm going to be listening to Taylor Swift. And we'll see what happens. Thank you. Yeah, it's cut off. Yeah. Portsmouth trolley ran the red light. Why are you stopping, Dunny? Why are you stopping? Do you know what you're doing? No. Go that way. Don't hit me. Jesus Christ, dude. Thank you. Tough guy. This is a cutoff. That's a cutoff. Yep. Yep. That was a cutoff, Service Master. Okay. Jesus. Thanks, Bim. Massholette. Thank you. Thank you. What are you doing? Yeah, just a little closer, asshole. Thank you. Yeah, next dive. Didn't see that coming, huh? The obligatory smoked license plate cover of an asshole, and now he's up my asshole. What the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ. Now get the back there. Scumbag. 3328521. Yeah. Too bad I'm going in here when there's the rest of his shenanigans. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm gonna call that next time. Asshole Toyota. Is that a cutoff? Watch out! Watch out! And, yeah, okay. That is the worst. That was the worst merge. That is the worst merge. Whatever. We're in the red. We're in the. That's everyone in the red. Okay. Cut off. Cut off. K-I-K-K-I-K-E. Why did you dive into the right lane if it's ending? You imbecile. And cut him off. Fucking idiot. Now cut him off! Cut him off. Is that a cut off? Damn it. Damn it. Apparently someone's getting a driving lesson here. I'm not getting in front of her. Oh boy. Don't hit me, dear. Thank you. Oh, looks thrilled, huh? Stop tailgating. That's dangerously close.